Now, if you're a Capital One credit card holder, stop what you're doing because you need to hear this. There's a hidden option that thousands of Capital One customers have used to get a better Capital One credit card with no hard inquiry or any damage to their credit score. But this option could disappear after July 27, 2026. Now, let me know what Capital One credit card you have right now. Is it the Platinum, Savor, or Venture X? Drop it in the comments section. Now, I'm going to break down 4 steps that every Capital One customer should take before July 27th, 2026. You want to follow each step in order, but the last step, number 4, is the most important because if you don't take that step, you can be leaving thousands of dollars of available credit on the table, and that option may not be available after July 27th. So let's jump into number 1. Number 1, update your annual income information. Now you want to log into your Capital One app. You want to go to profile, then go to personal information. There you're going to see your annual income and your employment section. Make sure that you add all your annual income. If you had side hustles that you've been doing, or if your financial situation has changed with additional income in your household, add that and update that information. This is important because when it comes down to credit line increases or credit card upgrades, your income class is very important, and the amount of debt that you have versus income, your DTI, determine what your credit limit is. So you want to make sure that information is as accurate as possible and move on to step number 2. Step number 2, improve your credit score quickly. Now, you want to try to improve your credit score as quick as possible because for an upgrade to a higher tier credit card, some of these credit cards need a particular higher credit score. So to improve yours faster, you want to pay down your credit cards because utilization is 30% of your credit score, especially with that Capital One credit card. You do not want that card to be maxed out by looking for this upgrade option. So pay that down. And when you do that, you could see your credit score increase and any other credit cards that you have with other credit card companies. If you can, you want to pay those down. Additionally, you want to look at your credit reports to see if you have any negative information like hard inquiries. Too many hard inquiries can get you denied for credit. If that's your case, if you go to my website, you can download this free hard inquiry removal package for free. That link is in the description of the video and pinned comment section. Additionally, look at your charge-offs and your collections. See if they're reporting with a C or a CO hitting you late every month. This is to keep your credit score down. You want to dispute that. Now, with my elite credit system, my user Greg was able to remove a collection in 12 days. If you need my help, that link is in the description of the video and pinned comment section. But a quick hack that you can use with Capital One, they pull all 3 credit bureaus. And when they're looking for this upgrade, it's a soft pull. So what you can do is lock that actual bureau where that reporting is of that COCO. For example, let's say it's Experian. You would go to their website and you want to freeze or lock that credit report, and they can upgrade you or approve you with the other 2 credit bureaus. Capital One is known to do that. So try that hack because that can be a quick way to increase your credit score quickly just to get this Capital One upgrade. Step number 3, request a credit line increase. Now, with your current Capital One card, you want to request a credit line increase. Now, the reason why you want to do this, because just getting approved for a credit line increase could increase your credit score by itself because it reduces your credit card utilization, which is 30% of your credit score. Now, it's important that you apply for this in the Capital One app, because if you call to apply for a credit line increase with a customer service rep, it can be a hard pull, and this can damage your credit score and create a hard inquiry. In the app, this is going to be a soft pull for this credit line increase. So you want to make sure that you're always doing your credit line increases with Capital One in the app, so it never damages your credit score. And then once you upgrade and take this fourth step, you can have a larger limit credit card and also get approved for a higher tier credit card. And it can give you an opportunity to take advantage of more rewards and points because now you have a larger credit limit to do so. But if that does not work for you to get that credit line increase, don't worry. This is why this last step is the most important step, because you can use this hidden option with Capital One to later help you get approved for this credit line increase. So let's move to step number 4. Step number 4, use the Capital One secret upgrade link. Now with Capital One, they have a secret upgrade link where you can check to see if you have any upgrade options for your credit card. Now with this link, it may not be available by July 27th because this is where Capital One is merging Discover accounts with Capital One account. So this option may not be available. Now with this upgrade link, what you want to do to see if you have any upgrades available to take you to a higher tier card. Now, if you're a person who got denied for that credit line increase, don't worry. Go and see if you have these upgrade options available. And then when you get into a higher tier card, it can make it easier to get a credit line increase because Capital One is known to have buckets and box you in. So if you came in on a platinum card or a lower tier card, it can be harder for an approval for a credit line increase because Capital One have a huge portfolio of subprime credit card holders. So they're pretty tough with those lower tier cards to give a credit line increase. So by getting that upgrade, this can put you into a better position to qualify for that credit line increase. And for those who already got approved for that credit line increase, by upgrading your credit card, you can take more advantage and get better rewards and points for your upgraded credit card to actually benefit you more in life. And you might down the road apply for another credit line increase and is able to get approved for a larger line of credit because you're in a higher tier category with your credit card. So I'm going to leave that link in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. And let me know if you guys got approved for that upgrade. Give the community some feedback. So hopefully this information was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. But for more detailed questions, you can go to my website and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.